I get asked all the time by wedding business owners, Russ, how do I make sure that the leads that I'm capturing from everything that I've got out there will close? And I can tell you right now, the only way that you can set yourself up for success, wedding business owner, is to create a customized for you sales funnel. Now, this is a template of a real estate sales funnel, and they're very easy to make once you understand the concept. And so I am actually offering a sales funnel coaching call that I would love to jump on with you and just walk through your process and show you what we do with Ozark Mix. Now listen, we book over 220 events a year, and I have worked on my sales funnel for the last 2 or 3 years straight, and I continue to improve on it all the time. You don't have to be the greatest salesperson in the world. You do have to have a great sales funnel in order to be successful in your wedding business, and I would love to show you how. So hit up my stand store inside. You can pay for a coaching call. I would love to jump on with you, and we can get to work building the engine that's going to provide you cash flow for your business. Let's do this, you guys.